This time we decided to make as a workshop rather than normal lecture. So it's going to be a little bit lengthy, but we thought there was important issues we want to discuss. And we took the opportunity because Ari Kalistian, which is the Deputy Minister of the Energy, was here for the other occasion, and we decided this would be a good opportunity to put together this workshop because probably you're aware that Armenia is right now working toward alternative and renewable energies, and we decided that would be a good opportunity, and it seems with the crowd, everyone agrees. The way we're going to do it, first, Deputy Prime Minister Kalistian is going to give us an overall overview of what's Armenia doing about renewable energies and alternative energies, and then he will answer your questions later on. We have then three presenters after that. Will be Günel Turian, which will be talking about wind and some solar. And then be myself, I'll be talking about biofuel in Armenia. And then Serge Adamian will be talking about solar and photovoltaic also. So that will be the way we're going to go. And then at the end, we'll have a lot of discussions and we'll answer your questions. Well, so, as I said, Ari Kalistian is going to be our first presenter, and he's been in deputy of the energy since beginning. He's been there for almost 20 years now, so he's fully knowledgeable about everything in energy in Armenia, so he can answer all your questions. If anyone can answer, he's the one to answer your questions. With this, all right, it's your turn.
Good evening to everybody. Here is the structure of my presentation, and I think it will be for all of us convenient if I will be ready for your questions. I'll very briefly give you overview on energy sector and about our new projects in all of the directions. And after that, I think it will be more interesting for you to ask me, and I'll give you more precise information about our situation. You know that when we was part of the Soviet Union, energy sector was very developed, well developed in Soviet Union, and we in that period operated all of the branches of in generation field, and nuclear, and thermal, and hydro, and our electrical grid connected with Soviet Union grid, and we work in synchron regime. And in that period, you can see on this diagram that we produced around of 15 billion kilowatt hours electricity, and around of third part of this we exported to our neighbor countries. After energy crisis, when we lost our, I can say, very important and for Armenia in that period, mainly chemical industry and another branches of heavy industry, we around of 2.5 times had decreasing of demand in electricity, but step by step after around of from 2000 from 2002 we started step by step increase our potential in exporting electricity. And I think in nearest future and in middle term period, we have all of the possibilities to continue this process and increasing the level of exporting of electricity. All of our neighbor countries need electricity, including Turkey, including Iran, including southern part of the Russia and Georgia. That's why our strategy to keep our extra generation potential for creating add value and to make money in this business, which is very profitable. No, it's very important sentence. Armenia could and should become regional power hub, as it was once was. I think now I'll give you some information about our energy strategy. In 2007, we presented our strategy plan, and which we elaborated during a few years on the governmental level, and this strategy improved. And the base pillars of our national energy strategy is, first of all, to develop our nuclear energy. It's number one as a priority. And in 2008, in three priority projects for national priority projects for Armenia. First one is construction of nuclear units on the same site where located our Metsamor nuclear power plant. Second, it's full and sound utilization of renewable energy sources as our own sources. Third one, it's diversification of primary energy resources and import-export routes. And of course, it's very important. Fourth one, it's regional integration and cooperation. In all of these four directions, we started and continue work very fruitfully, successfully. And in each direction, we can say that we have excellent projects. Some of them we already finalized, some of them ongoing projects, and some of them in nearest future they will start it. On this slide you can see our plans for 2025-2030. What will be the structure of our balance in electro energy sector? Nuclear will be around of 40% if we will take in consideration and export. For internal, covering internal demand, the figure will be around of 55%, even a little more. Renewable energy will be around of 30%, and only rest for natural gas it will be less than 37, around of 20%. It means that our main capacities in thermal power we will use for exporting electricity.